Hey there guys, this is Sam Montalvo again here, and today we're gonna try to analyze the 312A to 335A, or what I call the front slap kick to an aerial kick. And today we're gonna analyze this from, I'm gonna try to share with you three concepts that I believe can help you improve this combo. One of them, the first one, is gonna be blocking. Blocking allows you to transfer your linear momentum from the running into an upwards momentum, so you jump. So with the running, we're generating some kinetic energy, and the way we're gonna block, or we're gonna put our body before we jump, is gonna allows you to jump a little bit higher, right? And we're gonna see this in every single jump. We can see this on your aerial, we see this on your front kick, we see this even gymnasts, they do this a lot with your round-off. Okay, and I believe there's some other tutorials where they talk about this for tricksters and gymnasts, so you can also go and check those out and to see how other people use this blocking concept. And then the second one is going to be the triple extension. With the triple extension, what I mean is there's going to be an extension prior to the jumping, extension of the ankle, and then the knee and the hip. Okay, and then the last concept is going to be the extension after the kick, and we already discussed this on the outside kick. So after you kick, you want to kind of extend yourself to keep an upright posture, or a more vertical posture before you land, and this is going to allow you to get in a better position to, I guess, transfer your body or put your body in a different direction. So let's start with the first concept, with the blocking, and let's observe. Let me undo that one. Let's observe. Let's watch. As soon as he's running for the kick, as soon as he plants his right heel right there, look at how his body is leaning back a little. Well, there's a horrible line right there, but we get the point. So as soon as he starts transferring his weight to his toes, right there, we see he's taking a more upright posture. Okay, so by the time he's getting the triple extension, we're gonna put that in white. Let's look at the heel, the ankle, and then the knee and the hip. As soon as he's extending those three joints, right there, we see that huge extension right there. Now, see how it's going vertical. So the point of having a good block is gonna allow you to transfer that linear momentum to an upwards momentum, right? So right there, we're gonna observe that if we combine a good blocking with a good extension, we're gonna maximize to a vertical height, vertical jump, whatever you want to call it. So right there, we see he goes up, and then right there, let's look at he has this little bit, torso is a little bit inclined forward. As soon as he's after the kick, he's gonna extend himself. Right there is a good extension. Right there's it's not perfect, but it's, let me undo that one, but it's a good extension compared to where he was kicking, right? And let's not forget that we always want to kick above the shoulder height. Okay, I believe this guy is like super fast, so you're not really able to see his kick, but always kick above the shoulder level. Okay, so he kicks and he tries to extend his body back again in an upright posture. This is going to allow him to get in a more comfortable position to transfer his weight and his momentum to be able to execute the aerial. Let's put this in a better in a slower frame. So right there, kick, extension, and then jump. So after he kicks, let's look at the blocking for the aerial. So right here, right there, as soon as you see that right foot touching the ground, it's gonna allow him to, with the use of this quadriceps and glutes, is gonna allow him to transfer that weight into the right foot. So right there, he's pushing. Let's go back a little. So he's pushing with the hip and knee flexion on the left side, and as soon as you see that push, let me see, right there, when as soon as the heel's touching, we can see there's like a 45-degree angle between his back leg and his torso. This is going to allow him to kind of like a catapult, whatever you call that. It's going to allow him to throw his body around the anterior posterior sagittal axis of rotation, which is mainly through the hips, if you want to think about it that way. So that is going to allow him to kick and be able to rotate faster. So a good rotation or a good jump is gonna be driven by the good blocking, right? And then right there we also see again a good ankle, knee, and hip extension. Sometimes people don't block very well, and if you don't block very well, sometimes your ankle won't catch up and you're not gonna be able to extend your ankle. Sometimes you're not gonna be able to extend your knee, and it happens to a lot of people. That's gonna cause you to not jump as high as you could. So with that in mind, let's just keep going. Let's look another example right here with another athlete that everybody knows. Let's look at it fast, and then we're gonna look at this in a little bit slower. Super fast jump, right? Let's go slow now. Let's put it at 3 at a fourth. So push. Let's go back a little more. So right there, you can see that he's running into it. So blocking, extension, kick, extension, then blocking again and extension again. So think about it more like block, extension, kick, extension, block, and extension. I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but put those concepts in your mind, give it a little bit of thought, and then they're gonna start making more sense into it. And you can essentially apply all these three concepts to every jump, and I believe it's gonna help you to improve a lot. Let's look at it a little bit slower. So let's put it here. So right there, see the heel, and now he's leaning back a little, but not too much. And then at the moment, we can see the triple extension between the ankle, knee, and hip, and now we can see he has a more upright posture. And then right there we see the kick. Let's go back. After the kick, we're gonna see he lands right there. See that good blocking position? This is gonna allow him to extend his body and be able to rotate through the sagittal plane. Right there. Okay, so that's those are all I got for you guys today. Those three main concepts, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys liked it. If you liked it, just give it a like, and you can share on Facebook. Next week, I'm gonna try to do a video tutorial for those two jumps separately with some exercise progressions that I have taught to other athletes that I believe are very good. And so yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys later.